Nigerian meme without beans, without stress. It's super simple and absolutely delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. In a bowl, add some lentils. There are different types of lentils, but today we are going to be making use of this orange one. This is the particular lentils that I always use. I've never tried the other lentils for meme, but this particular one is trusted and tested. Once you add the lentils into the bowl, add some water to it, and then you rub the lentils in between your add so you can get rid of the dirt. Take it to the sink, get rid of that dirty water and add another clean water and allow to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes for easy blending. Here I have my pepper, the bell pepper, garlic, chili pepper and a lot of onion. I'm going to transfer everything to the blender, blend it until it's completely smooth. The reason why I'm making use of garlic is because I'm not going to be making use of crayfish. I transfer the batter into the bowl and I set it aside. In another bowl, I added seasoning cube and salt and I add hot water to it, mix everything together until they are well dissolved. Before you add seasoning cube into your meme, is either you blend it with the meme or you add it into the bowl like this and dissolve it with some hot water. Like that, nobody is going to bite into seasoning cube when they are eating the meme, alright? I transfer the mixture into the meme and I add one egg as well. And I also add some vegetable oil. I just go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. I'm also making use of fish stock for more flavor. I just go ahead and add a good reasonable amount of the fish stock and continue to whisk everything together. For you to have that perfect fluffy meme, you need to whisk the meme really well. And this is the consistency that I'm looking for. As you guys can see, it is not too thick and not too watery, but basically make your food according to your taste. I go here with the boiled mackerel fish. I already deboned that and I just mix everything together until they are well combined. To tie my meme, I'm making use of plastic bag, alright? But basically make use of whatever you have. Making plate, foil paper, whatever you have, alright? If you are making use of plastic bag, just make sure that you didn't tie it too tight, alright? So the meme can cook all through. So the meme will not burst into the water when you are cooking it, alright? You guys will see what I'm talking about in a minute. You want to leave a little bit of space for the meme to cook all through. And if you want to bake your meme, just transfer it into a baking tray and then transfer it to the oven and allow to bake once it's perfectly done. This is what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, the meme is loose, alright? Like that, it's not going to burst into water while I'm cooking it, alright? I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process till I'm done with all the moi. I'm going to transfer the meme into the pot of hot water, cover it up and allow to cook. And this is the most easiest way you can make your meme without stress. Trust me guys, it tasted absolutely delicious. There is no difference between this and beans. It tasted absolutely amazing. This is about 47 minutes later. The meme is perfectly cooked. I cook it for that long so it can cook very well. I just take it off the pan and it is ready. You guys look at that. Look at the color. It looks so beautiful and it tasted absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. You guys, it's super fluffy and it's so delicious. Easy way to make your meme. Trust me, it's absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. It's so hot, I cannot put it in my mouth. See you guys in my next video. Bye.